guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I'm Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. If you're here for the first time, thanks for stopping by. A little bit about me: I am a fashion designer, online entrepreneur. I sell on Amazon, Etsy, and lately Poshmark. So today's video is geared towards reselling items from the thrift store, and I want to talk about my huge thrift store haul. And I'm talking like, just crazy, a couple crazy brands that you normally would not find at the thrift store, or at least I haven't come across them too often at the thrift store. So I was so excited when they picked these up. I just had to do a video, and I will be reselling these items on Poshmark. So let's get right into it. The first item I picked up, I'm going to start with just a couple of items that are, nothing, no brand names, but things that I think are really cute, and then I'll get into the really good stuff later, so stick around to the end of the video. So this first item is a really cute mustard color, oversized, like peasant type blouse with embroidery. I checked the stats. I didn't know this brand, Molino Reno. And some of them are going for 50 bucks on Poshmark. So I will just iron this up or steam out these wrinkles and put it right up. Super cute. This next item, same line of, junior type bohemian little blouse. Really cute. I just love the colors, and it's a really good condition. So I picked that up as well. $4.99. Cashmere. Anytime you can get cashmere, pick it up, especially for $5. This is the brand Aqua Cashmere. It's a Bloomingdale's brand, but it is in really good condition. This little cardigan, it's like an open cardigan with no buttons, but it's navy and like an oatmeal gray color, but very good condition, super soft, and good stats on Poshmark as well. I used to thrift like years and years ago, and I just haven't had time, so now I am getting the bug back to do thrifting because I just love, especially coming across designer brands and vintage items. This next brand, Sea Wonder, in really good condition, just a simple little sweater, and just a nice chevron print, like a watercolor chevron print, and this was half off, so it was $3. Okay, and this is the brand here. And again, checking all the stats on Poshmark, and they all are, they are all selling in this brand $20 to $50 range. So this next brand, which is Cerrutti or Cerrutti, however you pronounce it, 1881. I found this vintage. This is probably from the 80s or early 90s. This little jacket, and this is actually a very well-known, kind of like the fashion house, like a Jean Paul Gaultier, think of Chanel. These are all in the same lines. This Cerrutti is from a Paris. He's actually Italian, but it's a Paris design house. So I just had to pick this up because it brought back memories from when I used to pick up all the luxury Italian and Parisian designers. So that's actually, it's a little jacket, and it's like a sheer, kind of like I guess it's a poly material, but really, really fun vintage piece. $5. Okay, so let's get into some of the shoes that I got. And this first one is a nice pair of Lauren from Ralph Lauren, and they're just in really good condition. And of course, Ralph Lauren will always sell. These are, leather shoes, and they do have the RL logo. Really nice, and I think these are probably $4. I also picked up a pair of vintage Donald Pleiners, and these are just mules, simple like a woven stretch fabric and leather right here. So these were half off, so these were $4. Really, really good condition. Kitten heels. Okay, the next item I got was, actually let's look at this one here. I got some Ted Baker jellies, and there's a little bit of a damage on these. So, I take offers on all my Poshmark. Obviously, I set the price a little high so I can get offers, and you know, I will take any offers and into consideration, especially considering I'm picking these up at the thrift store. So I do want to be fair with my prices. So these are really cute, and they have the Ted Baker logo on the bows, and they do run big. These are like size 7, but really big. They run super big. Super cute. And then I just love this bag. This is actually a Saks Fifth Avenue. Get the logo here. It's a Saks Fifth Avenue straw tote with leather handles, and it's in perfect condition. I just wanted to keep this one for myself, but I just love this as a summer tote with the studs. So cute. This was like $4. I know, crazy, right? Then I picked up a Sam Elderman, this leather crossbody tote, or crossbody bag, I shouldn't say tote, with gold studs in like amazing condition. And this was $6. So cute. I also picked up, this is Ella and Dot, which is a leather, this is a leather, I kept this one for myself because I needed a new wallet, but this like leather snakeskin wallet, and just had to keep it. I just love the tassel. So cute. Okay, moving on. This gorgeous leather, let me get that. This one is a Cole Haan. You can see that, and it's just this immaculate, well, I wouldn't say immaculate, it's a little wear, but it is a gorgeous leather bag. Just the details on it, really stunning. And this was $10, but just so well made. When you can pick up a leather bag that is super cute, stylish, and a great name, go for it. Okay, last 2 items now. I did get some Lily Pulitzer and other things, but I just wanted to get right to the good stuff. And Marc Jacbs, the Stam bag. Woohoo! Okay, so this bag can sell up to like $600 in good condition on Poshmark. Now, I did a lot of research when I picked up this bag to make sure it was authentic, and it is authentic, and I'll tell you how I went about that. But this is like the coveted Stam bag, which was, oh my God, it's super heavy and super amazing, and it was $8.99. In this condition, it probably will go for about $200 on Poshmark. But as you can see right here, the brass, it's not actually brass. I thought it was brass until I started researching. It's actually gold-plated hardware, and it's really in not great condition. But someone might be able to replate this if they want to spend some, additional money. But the bag itself is in fantastic condition. And so this is how I went about and did some research. So the first thing, just so you want to do your research, if you want to do research on a Marc Jacbs bag, is you want to make sure that if you can see how Marc Jacbs is just on one of the kiss closures, you don't want it on 2. That's an instant sign that it is not authentic. Also, you're going to see Marc Jacbs on the zipper pulls. You're going to see Marc Jacbs right here. You're also going to see Marc Jacbs. Where's the other one? There's another place where it was on the zipper pulls. And then also, you got to make sure that you can find that serial number right there. Okay? That's the serial number. And then one other clue. Okay, so here's the Marc Jacbs plate with the logo, and a sure sign that's you have a fake Marc Jacbs is where the R will be like completely straight and even. Marc Jacbs has like this funny kind of R on his logo, and that's how you know it's authentic. If it goes like just straight, that's how you can determine if it is a counterfeit. So I was very happy that I definitely picked up an authentic Marc Jacbs bag. Beautiful, huh? Okay, and now, can you see these gorgeous Louis Vuitton, beautiful patent leather ballet flats? At first I'm like, these are not real. These couldn't be real. And then when I did my research, they are authentic. And so how did I research these? The first thing is that right here you're going to see made in Italy. And actually the shoes are made in Italy. Some of the bags are made in actually United States and Paris, but the shoes are made in Italy. And also you can see there's the LV logo right here imprinted, which that is authentic. And then also on the back, the logo right here is authentic. And then on the inside, there's going to be here, it's the size, and then also there's a date. These number here are the date of when it's produced. So these are authentic Louis Vuittons, and they were $7. Yeah, these can go up to like, I've seen them up to $500 on Poshmark. Unfortunately, they're not my size, because I probably would keep them if they were size 7, but they are a size 6. So anyway, you never know what you're going to find at the thrift store, and I just had to do this video for you guys. And hopefully in my next haul, I will be finding some really, really amazing stuff that I will be sharing with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments, or if you like this video, I'd appreciate the like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.